go? Where did you come from? Cut no joke. Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for box 2. Teams alive at 7:13:32. 7. Where did you come from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Cut no joke. Teams. No, we're going again. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Save. Creative list. Oh wait. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cut no joke. Okay, so the teams are Simon Bar Celtics, McAshton Pacers, Matthew Bull Pelicans, Jeff Witowski Wolves, Harry with Mavericks, Hinge with Nets and Rockets, Bots with Raptors, Nick Powell Knicks, Stephen with Hawks, McAshton Grizz, Danny Dunn Lakers, Surowski Nuggets, Hurley Bucks, Jared Broadbent Jazz, Cotton Pistons, Wipes Magic, Jeff Sixers, McAshton Thunder, Josh Hinge Warriors, Blake Riley Hornets, Manny Suns, Hinge Heat, Vance Henderson Kings, Lane Cavs, Birch Bulls, Lane Spurs, Charles Wizards, Paul Johnson Blazers, and Mick Ashton Clippers. And that is that. So I'll be back in 5 minutes and we'll start.